Hello students. In today's class, we will see the representation of linear equation in one variable as well as in two variable. Okay. So, the exercise 4.4, question 1. Question 1 is, give the geometrical representation of y equal 3 in one variable and in two variable. Remember, when they are talking about one variable, means you have to represent the linear equation on the number line. So, for one variable, you will represent it on the number line. And for two variables, second part they have asked that represent the linear equation in two variable. So in two variable, you will represent the linear equation on graph. Is it clear? One variable on the number line and two variable on the graph. Clear? So let's go further. First part, in one variable, y equal 3 in one variable. As I have told it that you have to represent it one variable on the number line. So what will you do? You will make the number line 1, 2 and 3. So this will be y equal 3. Clear? Is it clear? So, representation of the number on the number line, representation of the linear equation on the number line will be only y equal 3, as you did it in your junior class, how to represent the number on the number line. Means on the number line there will be no x or y axis. Okay, so you have to represent only number. Is it clear? Second part. In second part, they have asked represent it in two variables. Since they are talking about the two variables, it means it will be of x and y concept. So here it is written y equal 3. Y equal 3 is written. So what we will do, we will rewrite it in the linear equation in two variables. So how will you convert it? We already did it in the first exercise. So you will write it 0x plus y equal 3. Okay, 0x plus y equal 3. Now for this linear equation in two variable, we will try to draw the graph. So for graph, again you need the solution. Okay, so the solution, you have to find out the x and y value. Take x value as 1. If you will put x as 1, then y will come as 3. Take x as minus 1. So again you will get it y as 3. You can take 2. Again you will get y as 3. What do you observe? Whatever we have taken the value of x, the value of y is same, isn't it? Value of y is coming as same. Now we will make the graph. So to make the graph, again same procedure to find out, to represent the coordinates on the graph. Let's see. This is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, and here you can take minus 1, minus 2. So first one, coordinates are 1 and 3. 1 x-axis and y is 3. Then minus 1 and 3. Minus 1, 3. Then 2 and 3. So you have got these points here. Now what should be next step? Join all the points, and what should be the next? thing which you have to write it? Don't forget to write the linear equation. Either you can write y equal 3 or you can write this also, 0x plus y equal 3. Okay, so can you observe it? What representation you have got it here on the graph? If y equal 3, then that line passes through y equals 3, isn't it? On the graph, that line passing through y equal 3. All the points are in a same straight line which passes through y equal 3. Or we can say that this line after joining it is parallel to x-axis, isn't it? It is parallel to x-axis. So what we have got it here? What we have got it? The graph of y equal a is any value, as here the value of a as 3, is a straight line parallel to x-axis. So this line, straight line, is parallel to x-axis. Have you got it? So y equal whatever be the value, it will always parallel to x-axis. Come to the second question. In second question, 2x plus 9 equals 0. So first we will take this linear equation, 2x equal minus 9. So x equal minus 9 by 2, or we can say x equal minus 4.5. So you have got x equal minus 4.5. Now first part is you have to represent it in one variable, as I have told it just now that in one variable you have to show it on the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and since it is negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, this will be, now x equal minus 4.5, where it will occur? It will come over here. This is the point x equal minus 4.5. Clear? Now, same linear equation, but now we have to represent it on the in two variable. So represent it in two variable means on the graph we have to represent. So we will rewrite 2x plus 9 equals 0. We will rewrite the linear equation in two variable form. So how can we write it? 2x plus 0y plus 9 equals 0. What should be next step now? You have to make the block. You have to find out the solution. So if you will find out its solution, what do you get? Take x value, y value as, let it be 1. So what should be x value? If you will take y as 1, solve it. 0 into 1 is 0. So you will get x value as minus 4.5. Now take any other number, minus 1. Again you will get minus 4.5. Take it some other number. Again you will get minus 4.5. Clear? Now this we will show it on the graph now. Let's see. X dash, y and y dash. This is 0. Here also don't forget to write it 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Come for the first one. Here it is. Again, we have to go further little bit. Then minus 4 and minus 5. X is minus 4.5 and y is 1. X minus 4.5, this is minus 4.5 and y is 1. X minus 4.5 and y is 1. So you will get somewhere here. Next, x minus 4.5 and y is minus 1. So you will get it here. Then minus 4.5 and 2. Minus 4.5 and 2. You will get it here. Now join it. Join it. And don't forget to write the linear equation. 2x plus 9 equals 0. Now, can you observe this graph? What do you observe? That this line is parallel to y-axis, isn't it? This line, since all the points passing through minus 4.5, so this line is parallel to y-axis. So what we have observed here? The graph of x equal a, means a is any value. The graph of x equal a is a straight line. This is a straight line parallel to y-axis. Since you are getting it over here that this is parallel to y-axis, so the graph of x equal a is a straight line parallel to y-axis. Clear? I hope that this concept is clear to all of you. Only these two questions which you have to do it in your copy. So try to do it quite very well so that we will start with the next chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.